Hey there, Smartsheet enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down productivity tools to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling episode 537, How to Sort in Smartsheet for 2025. If you're juggling spreadsheets full of data, sorting is a game changer for organizing tasks, projects, or even team updates quickly and efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll be sorting like a pro, saving valuable time in your workday. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and have a sheet open that needs some organization. Let's start with the basics. Click on the column header you want to sort, say, a date or priority column. Once selected, look for the sort icon, which looks like an arrow pointing up and down, usually in the toolbar at the top. Now, click that sort button and you'll see options for ascending or descending order. Ascending will arrange your data from smallest to largest, like A to Z for text or earliest to latest for dates. Descending does the opposite. It's that simple. But wait, what if you need to sort by multiple columns? Smartsheet's got you covered. Hold down the Shift key, select additional columns, and apply the sort. This is perfect for more complex datasets, like sorting by department and then by deadline. One tip to remember: always double-check your data after sorting to ensure no rows get misplaced. It's easy to fix, but better safe than sorry. Also, if you're using the 2025 version, you'll notice enhanced features like custom sort rules, which let you prioritize specific values. There you have it. Sorting in Smartsheet is straightforward and powerful. Try it out on your next project and watch your efficiency soar. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your sorting success stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.